Having trouble connecting with a Bluetooth device on your OnePlus phone? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this unable to connect with a paired device issue on your phone. So without further ado, let's go! Solution 1. Change Bluetooth MAP version. First, go to your settings. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Now, scroll down again. Next, tap on Developer Options. Keep scrolling until you find the Bluetooth MAP version. Then, give it a tap. Now select version 1.4. Solution 2. Unpair and repair the device. Jump into the settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Then, find the name of the troublesome device and tap on it. Hit the Unpair option. After that, check if the issue is resolved. If not, on to the next solution. Solution 3. Enable Quick Connect. Go to Settings. Then, tap on Connection and Sharing. Look below, it will spot the Quick Connect feature. Just toggle it on. Solution 4. Check Software Update. Open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on About Device. Now, tap on your operating system. If there is an update available, go ahead and update your software. Solution 5. Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Back into Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Then, scroll down again. Tap on Backup and Reset. Next, tap on Reset Phone. Now, tap Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings once more. Wait a bit, and your network reset will be complete. There you go! Hope the problem is solved. Your Bluetooth connection should be up and running smoothly on your OnePlus smartphone now. If this guide helped you out, show some love with a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech guides and hit that bell icon to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in and happy connecting!